morning, beautiful people. Good afternoon. Well, morning, because I woke up this morning and I actually went to sleep in this t-shirt, but I woke up this morning and I said, oh my gosh, I love how my skin has been acting and I'm still on the same stuff, so why not film an update video, right? I don't know if you remember, but I did like a Cocoashea clear my skin video, and I want to go back and talk about this because I'm still using Cocoashea, but it's a little bit more refined. Remember I shared with you guys how my friend, wait, did I even say welcome back to my channel? Pumpkin spice latte. I don't even have to sweeten it. It's so good. But wait, this is not a latte, this is tea. Pumpkin spice tea. Excuse me. But guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Journeys with Kris. Today I am filming an update, right? I'm still using the same stuff. I'm still using Cocoashea, and I just figured I'm gonna do it in maybe a different way, right? Because this is the morning. I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm just gonna go wash my face and talk about the products, and it's gonna be like a step-by-step process, so just bear with me. I'm gonna be showing the products, but let me just go wash my face, and then I'm gonna do my face mask, and then I'm gonna talk about Cocoashea, because that's like the product of the day, the product of the video, the reason why I'm standing in front of you guys to be talking the talks. So guys, I'm currently washing my face right now, and I'm using one of these. You kind of need one of these, the cleanser brushes, whatever. You can find them on Amazon for, this was like $6-7, and it's so good because it goes in there and it really scrubs your skin. I probably look really crazy, but it's scrubbing. So I do this first, and then I do this. So now I'm going back in circles with the Aveeno Clear Complexion. I do this, and I'm just gonna rinse my face, and I'm gonna do a face mask, and I'm gonna show you the one that I usually do. I'm not sure if you guys can just tell that my skin is super glowy right now. Like, I just finished washing my face, and typically I would put on my my face toner, or what I've been really using is this Clinique Moisture Surge 72 hours auto replenishing hydrator. It's really good, right? Because I like that because you can actually put this on and put on your makeup. You can't even see it. Oh my god. Can you see it? Can you guys see it? I'm gonna put the link down below. But I like that I can put this on and put my makeup on top of it so that I can keep my skin moisturized. Or I can just put this on and just go about my day just to make sure that I've moisturized my skin, but it's not oily, right? This is like an oil-free 72 hours like hydrator, and it's super good, and I love it. It's from Clinique. It's a little pricey, but it stays with you for a long time. I think this was like 40 bucks, and I've had this for ages, going on a year now, and it's just that good. But because it's Sunday, I want to do my face mask. I definitely recommend that you do a face mask at least once a week. It's just really nice to treat yourself, right? Like, it's all about self-care, right? Take care of yourself, and this is like a nice treat for your face. And I'd like to make my face mask at home. I know that you could buy like face mask already made, but I'm still sticking with this Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, and it looks like this. Again, I love Amazon. I'm a Prime customer, and I get my stuff in 2 days. This was, I think, $11, and this is just apple cider vinegar. You can get this from like Trader Joe's or something, a regular grocery store. So I'm gonna mix the two together, and I'm gonna slap that on top of my face. I mix it up. Sorry, my face is a little bit dry, and you could see it like at the corners of my mouth, which is why I'm not trying to zoom into the camera. But oh my god. I'm too excited, clearly. I mix it up, and it looks like this, like just a regular paste, right? And I'm just gonna slap that on top of my face. I like to use the spoon that I've used to mix because I like to use the spoon that I've mixed because I don't like touching this stuff, honestly. I've clearly done a bad job of like applying the mask. Is like half of my mouth is covered right now, but guys, I'm gonna just let this sit for as long as I possibly can. If you're gonna be home on a Sunday, which is why it's nice to do it on a weekend, because you can stay home and relax and just you know, let's play a little bit of music. I just got out of the shower. I have washed my mask off. My skin feels super soft, literally softer than the baby's butt. I kid you not. So I love putting that on a Sunday. And also, but my skin is really dry, so I always do the toner. Of course, I recommend you doing the toner after you wash your face. That's just a given. And I get these little balls from cotton balls from the Dollar Tree, $1. You can't go wrong with that. And I just apply a little bit on the ball, and I just scrub my face. And I like this also because it helps like take off the last minute dirt you could have forgotten on your face while cleaning your face. And the one that I'm using is the vitamin C facial toner, Tree of Life Age Defining Beauty. I love this because my mom can use it, she likes it, and I can use it as well. And it even says on here it's for all skin types. So yes, this is what the thing looks like. Can you even see? I usually use this, which I talked about earlier in my video. Earlier in this video, I talked about it. The Clinique Moisturizer. This is really good if I'm gonna put on my makeup. But because I'm not gonna put on my makeup, I do want to moisturize my skin, but I also want to kind of feed my skin, right? So this is what I'm gonna be putting on next, and I'm just gonna apply my eyeliner and a little bit of brow pencil and lip gloss, and I'm gonna head to church. But this is Cocoashea by my friend Charlene. I'm gonna link the actual Instagram page down below. I'm gonna link her personal page down below so you guys can just really check it out. It's Cocoashea for Coco Girls by Coco Girls. How cool is that? What are the benefits? Off the top of my head, I can't remember, but I'm gonna read that to you. So this is made with cocoa butter and Cocoashea, and she whips it together, and you know, who knows what she does. I'm not into that stuff, but it definitely helps with like fading dark spots, stretch marks, and hyperpigmented skin. Guys, in the previous video I told you guys that my skin was basically trash and I had been using raw Cocoashea, but because my skin is doing so much better, why not like spice things up, which is why I like this, and it smells wonderful. Now I cannot tell you what her secrets are because I don't know them, and if I told you the secrets then you would be able to make your own. So I like it because she whips it in a way where like it can remain hard, but still you're able to apply like a nice amount on your finger, right? And it smells delicious. I don't even know if this is like chocolate in here or vanilla, who freaking knows, but I literally do this and I just apply it to my face, and I'm gonna be glowing. Okay, just let me take a little bit more, and I don't have to put too much because I don't want to grease up like a little grease ball by the end of the day, but just enough to moisturize my face and make sure that I apply it to those dark spots. But yes, people, that is it. I'm just gonna go upstairs and put on my eyeliner and wrap up my, I don't know what I'm wrapping up. But guys, yes, that is it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so excited. I'm always excited to be filming videos like this because I care about skincare. I care about my face, and I was just so excited to be able to share these products or just get back in detail and show you how I do it. I know that you guys probably have a skincare routine, but hopefully this is helpful to someone. I'm gonna drop the products down below, and if you like this video, if you like the style, give this a thumbs up. If you didn't, yeah, we're just gonna love it, right? We're gonna love it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. This was Journeys with Kris, and skincare is also part of the journey. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a lovely one.